Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a Google account and the redeem code in front of you. Make sure you can access an Android device or a PC. First, sign into Play. Google.com or open the Google Play app on an Android phone using that same account. Once signed in, go straight to Redeem Code under Payments and Subscriptions. Enter the code carefully and tap Redeem. This links the credit to your Google account so you can use it later on Android apps and purchases. After redeeming, verify the Play balance shows under Payment Methods or Play Balance on the Google Play website. This confirms success. Note that Google Play credit cannot be moved to an Apple ID. This is why you redeem to your Google account, not to the iPhone. If you plan to install purchases on Android, sign into that Android device with the same Google account or use a Chromebook. Once done, purchases made on Google Play will draw from that balance automatically. Finally, realize you cannot redeem Google Play credit directly on an iPhone. Instead, use the credit by signing into Android or a Chromebook with the Google account where you redeemed the code. If the code didn't work, double-check every character and ensure the code is valid for your country and the account's billing country. If problems continue, gather the receipt or transaction ID and contact Google Play support for resolution. They can trace and restore lost or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.